Our mission is to deliver quality and prompt professional services on time and all the time at economical rates, with a name to be the first choice amongst the entrepreneurs. Super fast service. Amatya Solutions offer fast professional service for all listed professional services. We know that entrepreneurs need quick service, affordable price. All our packages have been designed keeping new startups' budget in mind. We offer best price across India. Professional experts. All our people are trained to provide awesome professional services for all listed service packages. 100% guaranteed service. We provide various services that all are of highest quality and 100% guaranteed with trust and reliability. If you want to set up your own company, then look no further. We are committed to provide best and genuine services to customer. We are here to solve your any problem related to your business. Our services. We have a specialized team of chartered accountant, cost accountant, company secretary, lawyer, tax consultant, business consultant, legal consultant in different department of business service related to company registration service, business licenses services, taxation services, auditing services, financial services, legal advisory services, accounting and bookkeeping services, business compliance services, corporate advisory services, mergers and acquisition services, custom clearance services and many more. Startup business services for Indian owner, proprietorship formation, partnership registration, LLP registration, one-person company registration, private limited company registration, public limited company registration, for foreigner, company registration with FDI, LLP registration with FDI, subsidiary of foreign company, branch office of foreign company, liaison office registration in India, project office registration in India, special entities, Nidhi company registration, producer company registration, Section 8 company registration, trust registration, society registration, 12A/ATG/35 Act/FCRA registration, registration services, mandatory registration, MSME registration, shop and establishment registration, professional tax registration, import-export code registration, GST registration, TAN registration, ESIC registration, PF registration, FCRA registration, NSIC registration, APEDA registration, AG Mark registration, RCMC registration, Startup India registration, partnership deed registration, .OSP registration, need-based registration, 12A registration, BOG registration, 35 Act registration, FCRA registration, RERA registration, HERA registration, barcode registration, RNI registration, NBFC registration, stress registration, ISBN registration, GEM registration, FFMC registration, REX registration, AD code registration, loot registration, licenses services, trade license, food license, fire license, pollution license, drug license, IROHS licenses, labor license, factory license, Gomasta license, ISB license, liquor license, bar license, private security license, PSARA, IPR services, trademark services, trademark registration, international trademark registration, trademark renewal, trademark objection, trademark opposition, trademark rectification, patent services, patent registration, international patent registration, GST refund claim, GST compliance, GST consulting, opinion, advisory, GST adjudication and litigation, appeals, company law matter services, company annual compliances, creation of various charges, statutory compliance, ROC, RBI, XBRL, SIBI filings, filing petition ROC, RD, NCLT, employee, striking off/revival of companies, liquidation of company, vetting and drafting of documents, taxation services, income tax returns, corporate income tax returns, TEAT/TCS/SE/PF returns, tax planning and optimization, tax advisory, tax compliance, transfer pricing, tax representation, tax due diligence services, global tax services, transaction tax services, cross-border taxation services, customs and international trade services, taxation and compliance services, audit and assurance services, statutory audit, tax audit, concurrent audit, operation I management audit, system audit, special audit, revenue I inspection I stock audit, due diligence, internal audit, GST audit, NG audit, auditor's report, corporate advisory services, business valuation, internal financial control, reporting, private equity and IPO support, corporate restructuring, capital structure planning, assisting in bank and financial, institutional borrowings, assisting in capital investment and restructuring decisions, merger and acquisition, advisory service, advising and complying to various provisions of FEMA/RBI, arbitration and conciliation, business advisory services, accounting and bookkeeping, project report preparation, CMA report preparation, accounting, financial and tax due diligence, business plan development, startup and expansion, business continuity and succession, compilation of annual/interim, financial statements, management information reports, system planning and design, decision support services, inventory planning and control, cash management, profitability analysis, existing and new avenues, contract negotiation and drafting, payroll processing service, claims verification, designing of internal controls, systems and processes including financial controls, preparation of standard operating procedures, liquidation including insolvency and bankruptcy law, assisting in periodical compliances, forensic accounting and fraud detection, drafting of deeds and agreements. Certification services, ISO certification, ISO 9001 to 2015 certification OMS, ISO 14001 to 2015 certification EMS, ISO 45001, 2018 certification O and SMS, ISO 27001, 2013 certification ISMS, ISO 22301 certification BCMS, ISO 31000 certification RMS, ISO 28000 certification S, ISO 22000 to 2005 certification FSMS, ISO 50001 to 2011 certification ENMS, ISO 29001 certification Oil and Gas, ISO 13485 to 2016 certification MDQMS, ISO 39001 certification ARTIS, ISO 37001 certification ABMS, ISO 14064 certification C02, ISO 20000 to 2011 certification ISM, ISO 29990 to 2010 certification, ISO OSAS 18001 to 2007 certification, ISO/TS 19949 certification, ISO 26362, 2009 certification, ISO 22716 to 2007 certification, ISO 25000 to 2014 certification, ISO 26000 to 2010 certification, ISO/TS 22002 to 4 to 2013 certification, ISO/EC 21827 to 2008 certification, ISO/EC 27018 to 2014 certification, ISO 15378 to 2017 certification, ISO 2,99,993 to 2017 certification, ISO 13485 to 2016 certification, ISO 10004 to 2012 certification, ISO 10002 to 2018 certification, ISO 20345 to 2011 certification, other certification, ISI mark certification, BIS certification, B certification, Hallmark certification, CE mark certification, Eco mark certification, UL certification, IROHS certification, FCC certification, BIFMA certification, NABL certification, NABL certification, HALAL certification, HACCP certification, SA 8000 certification, GMP certification, KOSHER certification, GMP certification, GDP certification, GLP certification, GHP certification, GAP certification, Organic certification, FDA certification, BRC certification, 5S certification, CSR certification, CPAT certification. Our office, Amatya Solutions Private Limited, India's one of the fastest growing online and offline platform for the common man and businesses to get world-class professional services at one place. Our company's Startup India recognition, approved by Government of India. Our company tagline is Committed to Solutions. We are committed to provide best and genuine services to customer. We are here to solve your any problem related to your business. Startup India recognition No. DIP 24337. Chin. U93090/N.B. 2018 PTC 226522. Xton. 19 RK 0120B1Z7.